we thought this was really cool. Looking at this glass, there's a handprint on the inside.
Inside.
Yeah. And sure, somebody could have done that before they put the glass up, but knowing someone died in here kind of makes it, cool to know or to see that, Okay. Underneath this house right here is where Zach Bagans did his investigation. See, I didn't get to see this place really well last time. It was dark as hell in here. You could barely make out the big machine in the middle of the room. Oof, it's a big one. All right. So what? Oh no, you're fine. Cool, all right. I guess we can go into the basement, but we can't go. Oh, there it is. Cool story about that place. Come on down here. Oh, we can't go in now. This is one of those two places that they took us where no one else was usually allowed to go, or where the public isn't usually allowed to go. Yeah, that's where we're going, the place I'm about to tell you about. Really cool. Not that one, baby. It's over here. This is the stairs they're talking about. Yeah, they don't allow anybody in the basement normally. That was one of those two spots we got to see because it was the night tour. Hi. Okay. So, we're going to stop the video.